And so now when we look at what is the dying experience we see, it's a surrender and it's a letting go. It's a willingness to open one's heart to be love to others. If you're contemplating dying, and if you're doing the things I'm talking about, if in the morning when you get up, you say to God, to those who are dying, I send my consciousness, I send my love, my willingness to be one with them, it's like the forces of the universe then use the power of your consciousness and literally carry it to the person. At first it will seem to you like imagination. It will seem like something that you are doing. But after you do this a few times, you realize, you will suddenly experience that you are not doing this anymore. That you're saying yes to it, it is now being done through you. Because it is being done through you, you yourself go into a state of high joy and ecstasy. The fact that what the world calls your physical body is leaving no longer is even important.